Hey friends, this is Adrika Vadare from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, first of all, Happy New Year to you all. Okay, so today we're gonna make a program on Happy New Year. So let's get started. So friends, first we will import Turtle because we are gonna make the program using Turtle only. So we will import Turtle. Then we will write here Turtle dot screen dot bg color to be black. So this will set the background color of our turtle screen to black. Okay. Now we will give a title turtle dot title. Here we will give new year. Okay. Now next we will write turtle dot setup, width to be 1, width to be 1.0, and next height to be 1.0. This will open your screen in full view automatically. Okay. Now we will make some balls for decoration. So I have already written the code here. So I will just copy it. Okay. And I will paste it right here. And here I made a list of colors as well. So we will write these are the list. This is the list and there are 3 colors in it. The hex value of those 3 colors. Here I have made one variable called whose value is 0. Okay. And here we have made one ball for the decoration. So to explain this code to you, I will open Paint so that I can tell you easily. Okay. So here I have written turtle.up. So what will this turtle.up do? It will take the cursor up so that when we will move our cursor anywhere or we set the position, it doesn't draw any line on our window. It doesn't scribble. Okay, that's why we have written turtle.up. Now in next line we have written turtle.setPos to be -600 and 815. So set position sets the position of the cursor. Okay guys. So the first value -600 is the value for x-axis, and the second value, that's 815, is the value of y-axis. Okay. So let me tell you how this x-axis and y-axis works. So suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. So if we want to move in this direction, we will write the numbers in minus. Suppose -100. Okay. So we will write numbers in minus. The more we want to move towards left, the more our number will decrease, and the more we want to move towards right, our number will increase. Suppose this we want to move 100, so it will be 100. Okay. So this one is for x-axis, okay. Now about y-axis, this one is called y-axis. Hope you guys know it. So if we want to move upwards, we will give the position in plus. We will increase the position. So suppose we have written here 815. We can give it 200 also. So the more you want to move upwards, the more the number will increase, and the more you want to move downwards, the more the number will decrease. Suppose you want to move downwards, so you will give minus 200. Okay, so hope you guys got it. Okay, now we have written turtle dot down. So after setting the position, we will write turtle dot down, so that now after setting the position, we can write something on our window. Okay, now we have given the color for our turtle, so that whenever it draws something, it will draw with that color only. So in above code, we have given the background color to be black. So let's do it black. And now we will take white, because we have written turtle dot color white. So now we have done turtle dot right. So automatically our cursor in this is in this direction, the right direction. So we want our cursor to move towards downwards. It should be like something like this. That's why we have moved uh, 90 degree towards right. So now our cursor is something like this. Okay, and as we have given the position to be minus 600 and 815, it will be somewhere here. Okay, here will be our cursor facing downwards. Okay, so now we have written turtle dot forward. Forward. Now when turtle will move forward by 820, sorry. So now if our turtle will move forward by 820, it will draw a line here. Wait a second. It will draw a line here. Something like this. Okay. So it isn't a great line. So let me take the shape of line. Okay. It will draw a straight line. Something like until here. Okay. So this is our line. So after that we have written turtle dot up. Why I have written turtle dot up? As I told you before, it is used to take the cursor up so that it doesn't scribble on our window when we are taking it. When we are setting its position. Okay. Now I have written turtle dot set pos minus 600 comma 0. So I have set its position from minus 600 and 815 to minus 600 and 0. Minus 600 means the x position is equal, but the y position has turned from 815 to 0. And then we have written turtle dot down, so that now we can write anything on our window we want. Okay. So after this, we have written for I in range 20. So as you know, for is used for looping something. That's why we have written here for I in range 20. Okay guys. Now I have written turtle dot colors indexing 0. Okay. So as you can see here, I have made one list colors, and there are 3 colors in it. 3 hex values of the color. So now I have written turtle dot color. The color position. Now I have written turtle dot color and colors indexing 0. So 0 stands for first element in the list. So that's why it will take this hex value as the color. As you can see, turtle dot color, and this hex value will be included. Now it's written turtle dot circle. This circle function is used to make a circle, and here 50 is the diameter of the circle. Okay, so 50 is the diameter, and then we have written turtle dot right 20. It will move uh, towards right by 20. Let me show you how. Suppose here is our cursor, and it will make one circle here, I'm just doing it like this only. So it made one circle here, and after this, after moving, here's our cursor facing upwards, right? Facing upwards. So it will face towards here, means it will move towards right by 20 degrees. So it will be like this, something like this, and then again 20 degrees, something like this, and this will make a decoration ball. Okay, so it's just messed up, so let me clear it. Okay, now let's run our program, but before that we will write here turtle dot exit on click. So this will only exit when we will click on the window. Okay, so here let's run our program. See, it's making a circle. It's a decoration ball. As you can see, it's taking time. We can also give the speed to our turtle so that it won't take this much time and we don't have to wait this much. Okay, so I will tell you how to do that, but just see it. Okay, and yeah, here's our decoration ball. Okay, now to give the speed, we will write here turtle dot speed. Let's give it 50. Okay, and let's run our program now. Let's see whether the speed has increased or not. Sorry guys, here it will be speed. Okay, see, the speed has increased now. Now what we will do, we will make another ball, but the thread of that ball will be until here only, and it will make a ball here, another ball here, and then another one here and here. So I've already written the code, so I will just copy it and will show you what is it doing. Just copy it and paste it right here. Okay, so guys, here is our ball 1 whose code I have already taught you. I have already explained this to you, and the rest two balls are just like this only. So hope you guys will get it. So here also I have written turtle dot up, that will take our cursor up so that it won't scribble. Next I have written turtle dot set pos, it will set the position. First one is for x and second one is for y. Okay, then I have written turtle dot down. It's written so that we can write something on our turtle window. Okay, next I have written turtle dot left 40, it will move towards left by 40 degree. And then I have written turtle dot color white. As I told you, the color of the thread will be white, so that's why I have written turtle dot color white. And then I have written turtle dot forward. As I told you in ball 1, forward will make the cursor, or we can say turtle pointer, move forward, and if it is moving forward, and here we have already written turtle dot down, it will make a line on the window, so it will move forward by 670. Okay, now I have written turtle dot up again to set the position so that it won't scribble. Now I have written turtle dot set pos minus 440, and minus y is minus, and y is 150. Okay, then I have written turtle dot down, so that now we can write. Okay, now I have written for I in range the same loop like this one. Okay, but here what is the change? I have written colors and the indexing is 1, so that it can uh, take the second value as the hex as the color. So this second value is the color of another hex value of another color. Okay, now I have written turtle dot circle 45. I have decreased the diameter by 5, so that the another cursor which is made or drawn on the turtle window is a little bit smaller than the first one. Okay, same with 3. I have given the color to be color indexing to be 2, so that it can take the third color. And here also I have decreased the circle diameter of the circle by 5. Okay, so now let's run this much code. Okay, so it works great. Okay, now what will we do? We will do just like this on the other side also, but in decreasing order. First there will be the yellow one, then the green one, then the red one. Okay, so now we will copy it. Okay, just copy it, and here we will paste it. Okay, so here is our ball 3, same like, okay, here's our ball 4, here's our ball 4. You can see the code. And next is ball 5, and third is ball 6, as you can see. As I have already explained all this to you, I won't explain it now. Okay, so here's our decoration. It is completed. Now we will write Happy New Year. Okay, so here's our text already written. Okay, so here we will just copy it and paste it. So what have we done here? We have written turtle.up so that it won't scribble on our window. Now we have written turtle.set pos. It will set the position. The position is minus 440 and minus 100. Minus 440 is for x and minus 100 is for y. Okay. Now I have written turtle.color and I have given a random color to it. Okay. Now I have written turtle.down, so that now we can write on our window. Now next I have written turtle.write. Write function is used to write text to our window. So that's why I have written turtle.write. Inside it, the first parameter will be Happy New Year, means the text you want to write. Okay. And then we will write something like this, font equals to, and inside the round brackets, we will first give the font, and next we will give the size. So I have given the font to be Lucida Calligraphy, and the second parameter, which is the size, I have written 70. Okay, so I have written turtle.height turtle. So what will this do? As you can see, when we are, wait a second, let me show it to you. As you can see, we are able to see our cursor. It's here. Maybe it's not visible to you, but it's there. We want our cursor to disappear after we have uh, completed our code. Okay, so that's why we will write here turtle.hideTurtle. Let's save it and run it. Oh, great. So with this, I'm wishing you a very, really, really happy new year. So hope you guys like the video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session. Bye bye.